It's from the brand Maple Holistics, and you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna use this product today. As you guys know, if you have blonde hair, it's really good for brightening and just making sure the blonde looks good and not brassy. And what I love about this specific purple shampoo and conditioner specifically is that these ingredients are paraben free, sulfate free, all natural ingredients that you're getting. So what I really like about this brand is that they actually take care of your ingredients to make sure you are not damaging your hair and using, you know, ingredients that can possibly cause damage. Another cool thing is actually everything they use is recycled. So plant-based ingredients, recycled bottles. It's just an all-around great product. Okay, so I'm back to hop into the shower. This is kind of a cute look. All right, I'm gonna miss my straight hair. You know, say goodbye to her because we're not seeing her anytime soon. But I definitely need to touch up my roots though, sis. Anyways, but yeah, so I'm just gonna wash my hair. Purple shampoo, you're just gonna wash your hair with it, and like just any regular shampoo. This is the perfect product to get rid of brassiness in your hair. As you can see, like my hair is honestly not too orange, but you gotta make sure you keep it up or else it will start turning orange when, you know, the toner and the dye from the salon starts to wear off. It ain't gonna look cute. So what I love about this is you can fix the color. So I want to show y'all a quick before and after. So this is the before right here, and you guys will see the after. And hey bits. For the conditioner, all I do is I apply this and leave it in my hair for like 4 minutes, and then I wash it off. And this conditioner is super moisturizing, like extremely moisturizing. I absolutely love it. Okay guys, so this is the results after the shower. So as you guys can see, it looks like more gray, and it removed all of the like the yellow tones I had in my hair. Anyways, and what I really like about it is purple shampoo is actually damaging. If you guys don't know, it has like damaging chemicals, and when I shampooed and conditioned my hair, it feels so soft, you guys. Like I don't know what to tell you. It feels really soft, and I don't know, like I really love the color. It's been 3 days since I washed my hair, so that clip you just saw earlier, it's 3 days old. This is the results. As you guys can see, it got rid of all of the yellow tones. You can keep it in as long as you need or keep washing it to get to the color that you'd like. But this is kind of what I'm into. This is how I make sure I maintain my blonde hair at home. And yeah, if you guys are wondering how often I actually use this, I don't use this every time I wash my hair. I only use it when I see that it needs touching up. So maybe like every second or third wash, I'll actually use the purple shampoo and stuff. So yeah, that's when I'm using it. This makes it so easy to make sure your hair looks good even before your hair appointment, because as you guys can see, my roots are definitely grown out and I definitely need to go get them touched up, but I'm still able to have nice looking blonde curls and it's not orange, because usually by the time your roots have grown out and you're not using purple shampoo or something, like it won't look good. And what I like about this is that it doesn't just like wash out so fast, so you don't have to like continuously wash with this in order to see results. You can just use this as needed. Yeah, and like compared to a lot of purple shampoos, like I said, this is all organic. It doesn't have paraben, silicone, all that stuff. So I really like that in a purple shampoo. And yeah, by the way, I want to quickly mention this conditioner is extremely moisturizing, which I really love. And honestly, I never even knew they made conditioners as purple, you know, a purple conditioner. I've never tried one before, and I absolutely love this one. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching.